The Revolution is an American rock band formed in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and assembled in 1979 by Prince. Although widely associated with rock music, the band's sound incorporated rhythm and blues, pop, funk, and psychedelia elements. Before their official breakup, The Revolution had released 2 studio albums, 2 soundtracks, and 2 videos. The band is known for its many members, varied in race and gender. The Revolution rose to international fame in the mid-1980s with Purple Rain, which reached number 1 on the Billboard 200 and became certified 13x platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America. The band also achieved its second number 1 Billboard 200 album with Around the World in a Day in 1985. They achieved 6 top 10 singles on the Billboard Hot 100 chart, including 3 number 1s. Let's Go Crazy, When Doves Cry and Raspberry Beret. The band officially disbanded in 1986 after the Hit and Run Parade tour, which supported Parade, the soundtrack for Under the Cherry Moon. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.